Students, today we are going to find out the concentrations or that of the mole amount in mole of the acid or the bases during the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means that when the base it reacts with an acid and you get a salt and then water is produced. Now in this scenario he is taking that 15 centimeter cube of the sulfuric acid is required to neutralize 25 centimeter cube of potassium hydroxide solution. This is the equation that 2 moles of KOH it is reacting with 1 mole of sulfuric acid and you get 1 mole of potassium sulfate and 2 moles of the water. Now he is asking you calculate the amount in moles of KOH in 25 centimeter cube of potassium hydroxide, as he is taking the 25 centimeter cube of potassium hydroxide for the neutralization with sulfuric acid. The solution concentration is 0.24 mole per decimeter cube. Concentration is always measured in mole per decimeter cube. Now the first is that the volume of the KOH solution, it is 25 centimeter cube. And you have to convert this 25 centimeter cube into decimeter cube. For this reason you have to divide it with 1000 and your answer comes to be 0.025 dm cube. Now the concentration of the KOH, it is 0.24 mole per decimeter cube. That's the given in the question, mole per decimeter cube. Now from here you are going to find out the amount in moles. Now the formula is concentration, it is equal to mole per dm cube. We are going to find out the moles of sulfuric acid. So moles of H2SO4 will be concentration multiplied by volume in dm cube. Now both the parameters are given to us, that is the concentration. Concentration, it is 0.24 mole per dm cube, and then the volume it is 0.025. Drop it here, dm cube. So our answer comes to be 0.006 moles. That is the dm cube, and per dm cube that will be cancelled out. Your answer will be that the amount in amount of KOH in moles will be 0.006 moles. Now in the second part he is asking calculate the amount in moles of sulfuric acid in 15 centimeter cube of sulfuric acid. That is amount of sulfuric acid now it is required. Now student, if you see the balanced chemical equation, according to the balanced chemical equation, 2 moles of KOH they require 1 mole of sulfuric acid. So half moles of sulfuric acid are required for the complete neutralization with KOH. Now if I write down the moles of KOH versus the moles of sulfuric acid, then I write down that is the 2 moles of KOH it is reacting with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. But you are provided that if there are present 0.006 moles of KOH, then how many moles of sulfuric acid should be here? It would be half the moles of 0.006. That is, if you cross multiply, then you will get the answer 0.006 divided by 2. Your answer will be 0.003 moles of sulfuric acid. Now in the third part he is asking calculate the concentration in mole per decimeter cube of the sulfuric acid. Again the same part, that is the concentration of sulfuric acid will be mole per decimeter cube. In that case the concentration of the sulfuric acid you have to find out moles of the sulfuric acid, it is given 0.003. You have calculated already, and the volume of the sulfuric acid is given to you that it is 15 centimeter cube. 15 centimeter cube means 0.015. Clear? Then its answer comes to be 0.2 mole per decimeter cube. Student, in this way you can calculate the different parameters of the neutralization reaction in which the acid and base neutralization reaction will take place, and the concentration of any of the either acid or base you can calculate.